Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AutoCAD to 3ds Max. This is me Salim, and I am thousand times thankful to God for giving me this opportunity to be in serve of you, my dear friends. Today is our first lesson of 3ds Max. So in this lesson I'm gonna start from the very beginner thing in 3ds Max, which is introducing very basic commands in 3ds Max. As you already have seen here, this is called the scene of 3ds Max. As you see, 3ds Max standardly have 4 viewport, which is top viewport, front, top, left, and perspective. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the top of this scene. At the top right corner, you already seen a helping bar here. So helping bar, if you want to get information about that, about the particular command on 3ds Max, then what you can do is you can put that particular command here. Then you will get some further information about that particular command if you have connected to the internet. So how? For example, I don't know about box, sphere, and these all. So then what I'm doing, I'm gonna put here, for example, what is box. So then click enter. So already I am connected to the internet. Then it gave me some further information about box command, right? So I'm gonna cancel this one because it is not working. Okay, this was helping bar. So next one, this is title bar. So in title bar you will see the name of your file, right? For example, right now I have not saved this file. For example, I'm gonna create a box here. Then I want to save my file name of box, right? Come to here and then click on save. So in here I'm gonna select desktop, then put here box. This is the name of my file, right? Then click on save. So already you have seen here box, which is show you the name of your file, right? And this is called title bar. And the next one, top left corner, called quick access toolbar. So quick access toolbar will help you to access quickly some useful command. For example, open, new scene, so undo, redo, save. These all the more useful commands which a person really work with these commands, right? Although you can find these toolbars by click on max button here. Then you have save button here, open button, new, and reset, and these all already you have these common here as well. But quick access toolbar, as known as its name, so will help you to access quickly at these useful commands, right? For example, I'm gonna draw a box again here. Then I need a redo, right? So instead of click on this and this, and then let me show you. Already I have undo redo here as well, and undo redo here as well, right? So I need redo, so undo. I'm gonna click on this, then already have removed. So this is this is a possibility that you can quickly access today some useful commons. So it was this was quick access toolbar. So at the bottom of quick access toolbar you will see the menus here, which is called menu bar. For example, if I click on particular menu, you will see a list of commands here, right? So in further lesson I will introduce one by one, don't worry. So, and at the bottom of menu bar is main toolbar. So main toolbar is really help you to work on a project as easy as possible. For example, this is link, link and break link, undo, redo, select, move, rotate. So these all was main toolbar. So at the right side of 3ds Max scene is common panel. So almost 90% you will use commons from here while working on a project, right? So standardly, as I told you, 3ds Max has 4 viewport, which is front, top, left and perspective view. So already when you draw a object, when you draw an object here in 3ds Max, at the same time you will see at the from 4 different point of view, so which is front, top, left and perspective. So if sometimes you you hide your common panel, for example, I'm gonna hide this one. So how you can find again your common panel? Easily come to here and to these dots, then click left click and tick mark common panel from here. So already you have common panel. For example, you can add comments in a quick access toolbar as well, or hide some comments. Come to here and then I want to hide open button, and just click on open. Then already you don't have any open option here. So if you want to bring it back, then click on this one and tick mark open. So already you have open button here. So why it doesn't come? Yeah, it's over here. So and at the bottom of 3ds Max scene you have seen some comments like ruler, right? So this is called time configuration. So if you want to work on a animation in 3ds Max, you will use from this command here, so which is like ruler. In further lesson I will tell you how to use this command, how to use animation here. So this in here is some useful command that you will really need while working on a project. For example, if I want to maximize or minimize a particular viewport, for example, I want to maximize this current viewport, which is perspective 1. So come to here, you have seen here maximize viewport toggle. So click on this, it already maximized. So you can work, you can do this. You can do this the same command by keyword, by shortcut as well, which is Alt plus W. So Alt plus W maximize, Alt plus W minimize. So this was the introduction of 3ds Max I hope you have learned some good thing in this lesson. So and for the lesson I will teach you how to work on a 3D model of a construction, or how to make a 3D model of different thing. I will tell you how to do that. So this is easily this was our lesson. I hope you have learned some good thing from here. So I'm gonna end my first lesson here. So rejoice in Allah, rich and prosper in the world and in the hereafter. So goodbye, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.